Hi guys!
Muaz here.
Ali here. Welcome to
K2M Unboxing and Reviews.
So today we have Pickleball. So we have 2 pickleball rackets and
one ball.
One ball with it.
Yeah.
So Muaz, show them the box.
Here's the front. Here's the back. And
so this is the fastest growing sport in the country right now, which is the United States of America. And yeah, so we're gonna be playing some pickleball with this.
yeah, outside.
And now let's open it.
Just take it off. And we open it.
Now it's
Got
the ball.
ball.
Show you the ball. What is it?
It's orange.
And then we have a racket.
And it's color green.
And we have another racket.
It's color red.
Okay, and there's anything else in the box? No,
And it says
nothing else in the box. So pickleball is technically like tennis. There's specific squares. You can't go at this place and hit the ball. You have to do back and that. And yeah, so on and so forth. So pickleball. Muaz, you want to do a little play, like a tap, like table tennis a bit? Okay, other side. Switch your racket.
oh.
Ready? Oh.
Uh-oh.
So yeah, we're gonna be playing a lot with this, and yeah. So it has good grip, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel. I don't know how to hit the bell icon.
Bye.